Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I unbox Halloween costumes for a Halloween costume contest that we're going to have in 2023, and we'll all be dressed as characters from the Netflix 2022 TV series Wednesday. So this looks like a big one. I got a lot of stuff for this one, and I don't know if everything is for this person, so let me set a couple things aside that I'm not sure about. Got these today. One is from China, I think. So let's start with this one right here. This is for the character Bianca Barclay. She is what they call a scale, like a mermaid type, a siren type person in the Wednesday TV series Netflix. The first thing I got, wasn't sure what kind. I couldn't find the exact shoes she wore, so I bought some more of these. You know, wow, these go extra big. Nice boots here, like that. And they do pose together, you know, in wearing shoes like these. So that's why I got these. Outside of the movie, you can find pictures of Bianca, Wednesday, and Enid all dancing wearing shoes like these. So that's why I chose those. And I also got another pair. I think this one is Ziploc type. This is what I was looking for, with some hiking boots that were mesh, but I couldn't find them anymore, so I bought these. Well, it's not really too similar, but you know, these are from Union Bay. They have good reviews. People like these, so Bianca can choose between these two boots to wear. These are hiking boots. I don't know what you call these. Okay. And of course, I tried to get everybody some socks, just so they can have new socks to wear. So there we go. Women's knee-high bamboo socks. I don't know why they're called bamboo, but that's what they are called. And next, we have a wig. Now, she doesn't really need a wig, but I got a pixie wig, which is a very short hair wig. Take a look at it real quick. Now, she has her hair cut down very short, almost like a crew cut, so the actor can also pull her hair back and not wear the wig, but that's just an option. And then we got the siren necklace. Let's see what that looks like. I think I got a couple different necklaces. The original one of Etsy was very expensive. I think it was like $75 or more. So I chose for a cheaper version, which is not a mermaid but an eagle, but it's similarly shaped. And in case that one didn't work, I did find another version that's not gold. It should be gold. This one looks, oh, that's not it. Okay, this would go to Wednesday. That's not a necklace. That's a piranha I got from China. So that will go off to, I don't know if we'll even use that, but figured why not have it for honors, you know. Okay, here's the other necklace, I think. Let's see. I don't even know, I don't have it marked. So this is what happened. So there we go, yeah, we got a free Mentos Mint, that's nice. So there's the other necklace. Very tiny mermaid. I don't know if you can make that out. Really don't want to unwrap it yet. We'll put both those in this package. We'll set them here for now. And let's see what else we have. Okay, those are the main things we have. Now let's see what's in this package. From China. Let's hope this is her Academy uniform. Nevermore Academy. I don't want to. These packages are tough. I don't want to cut into the uniform. If that's what it is. Could be something else. No, this is... Okay, well, I actually got my Pugsley uniform. That's what this is, so... Oh, I thought I wasn't going to get that. So, it didn't come on time. Alright. Cats are playing down here, fighting. One more thing. Okay, this looks like her uniform. This is the Bianca Barclay uniform. You can see it's got a clip-on bow tie. It shouldn't have a bow tie. It should have a regular tie, but it's the purple and black stripes. It's got the shirt. It's open here. Hopefully it's got the skirt. Okay, well, anyway, there we go. That concludes the, as far as I know, unless I find something else, the Bianca Barclay uniform from Wednesday, Netflix 2022 TV series. This is our Halloween costume for this year, for 2023. Thanks for watching. Come back and watch some more. I've got a lot more things to unbox. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for notifications, and I really appreciate it. We're trying to hit 10,000 views. Come back and view some more. Thank you.